is it sustainable? When it comes to sustainable living, I consider myself very well informed. Imagine my surprise when I found out that tea bags, paper cups, paper sieves, and even some of the frying pan are not eco-friendly. My name is Maria, and in today's video I will share with you some facts about daily products. By the end of this video you will understand how many plastic and paper cups, how to drink tea without damage, which frying pan is more environmentally friendly, and if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe by hitting that red button. So let's get started. Running in the morning for a glass of coffee is a pleasant habit for many, but not many people know that this habit is extremely unecological. Let's figure out. Paper cup consists of 95% raw materials and 5% plastic. If you pour the hot drink into cardboard glass, there will be nothing left of both in a few minutes. Therefore, such disposable caps have a plastic layer or sealing, which interferes with the recycling. According to statistics, one disposable paper cup is a 1 liter of water spent. For their production, 32 million trees are cut down worldwide. In addition, these caps have plastic lids marked 6, which at temperature of 70 degrees release a carcinogenic and mutagenic poison. These lids are almost impossible to recycle. How to replace a disposable paper cup? Use reusable alternatives like thermos or coffee cup. By the way, in many of coffee shops they offer 10% discount for drink in your glass. Economically and environmentally friendly. Do you already have a reusable bag? Let's look at ceramic frying pans, which are positioned as eco-friendly and safe. But how food can be burned on the ceramic base? Important factor that describe ceramic pans as non-eco-friendly is a short service line. After 1.5 years, such pan loses its benefits, which leads to new purchases. Now the polymer ceramic layers is used in different thermomags, pots, and many other types of dishes. Foam coating becomes toxic at temperature above 260 degrees. On this basis, it's concluded that non-stick cookware is safe as long as it's not overheated. How to drink tea? How to benefit and enjoy the drink without harming nature. There is a lot of rush in the modern world. From all sides we are offered to save our time. And unfortunately, this optimization also affected a beautiful ritual, tea drinking. Tea bags are made of composite materials, paper with plastic. So what usually seems to us to be a paper simply cannot be paper, because paper gets wet in water. So when we dip a tea bag into a mug of hot water, invisible microplastic enter our body. Scientists say that on average we eat 5 grams of plastic per week, which is equal to 1 bank card. So reduce this dose during tea drinking or increase, it's just up to you. There are 2 tips on how to drink tea more eco-friendly. First off, buy tea by weight and use your bag. And then also tea leaves can be composted. Don't forget about this. Friends, tea is an art, is a culture, is a philosophy and beautiful ritual. Let's drink it beautifully too. And at the same time take care of our health and nature around us. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time.